In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Mailchimp email address. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is head over to Mailchimp.com. Once you're there, look for the login button and sign in with your account credentials. It's pretty straightforward, so I'm sure you'll get that part quickly. Once you're logged in and back on the dashboard, your next step is to access your profile. To do this, simply look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an icon that represents your profile, which could be your avatar picture, or perhaps just a generic icon if you haven't set one. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Profile. This will bring you to your profile page where you can manage various settings. Now that you're on your profile page, it's time to find the email field. Scroll down a little until you see the section labeled Email Address. This section shows your current email. Just think of it like finding your old address, but with a twist. You're ready to update it to your shiny new email. Once you've located the email section, go ahead and click on the email field. You can clear out the old address by either deleting it character by character or just highlighting it and hitting the delete key. It's entirely up to your preference. Now, type in your new email address. Make sure to double-check it for any typos. It's so easy to accidentally mix up letters or misspell something, and you want to get this right the first time. After you've entered your new email address, the next step is to verify the change. Now, this part is really important. You may need to switch over to your email service to check for any messages from Mailchimp. Head to your inbox and look for a verification message. It could land in your primary inbox, but don't forget to check your spam or promotions tab just in case it decides to hide away. Once you've found that email, open it up and look for the confirmation link inside. Clicking on that link is crucial as it will finalize and activate the update of your email address in Mailchimp. This step is what makes everything official, so don't skip it. And there you go. After you click that link, your new email address will be set up in Mailchimp. You might want to take a moment to return to your profile page to verify that the new email actually shows up there. This way, you'll have peace of mind knowing everything is in order. That's all there is to it. You've successfully changed your email address in Mailchimp. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. I hope this tutorial makes managing your